first testimonial I received for Knotty horse was probably the most profound for me because it made me realize just how effective the detangling treatment really is. I have a customer who had recently purchased an off-the-track thoroughbred, and it had unfortunately ended up in a kill lot situation. So she rescued this horse. Unfortunately, it was not really healthy, so it was in quarantine for quite some time, and because of that she couldn't wash his hair, she couldn't use the wash rack or any public areas in the stable where she had moved her horse. So she called me and said, look, my trainer and my vet have both told me I need to cut my horse's tail off. It's just one giant dreadlock, and a friend of mine tried your product and I want to know if you think it will help. Well, of course, I can't guarantee that it was going to really be that effective because she showed me pictures, and it was probably the worst case I'd ever seen of a matted tail. It was just completely, like she mentioned, one big dreadlock underneath the dock of the tail. And so I said, look, I'm going to send you some samples. Try it first, let me know if it works, and if it works, then buy it and let me know. And I got a call 2 days later. She was pretty much jumping up and down saying, look, it took me about, an hour of like really patiently working out the tangles, but they all just started unpiecing after I put in the detangler. It was like amazing how quickly it worked. And this was a really dirty tail. I mean, imagine all the dust and dirt built up in it, so it wasn't helping her cause. And so when I saw the after picture, I really was blown away because it looked like she had just washed and conditioned his tail even though she hadn't. And so I knew I had a winner on my hands at that point, and I still show people those pictures to this day when I'm at trade shows and expos. I love being able to show people just how well this detangler works without breaking the hair.